I was a dairy farmer, and I had a lot of exposure to large animals that just beat the living heck out of me over a period of time. Just basic working. You're picking stones, you're walking on uneven ground, baling hay, everything that goes along with farm life. It took its toll on my body over the years. My shoulder got injured when I was climbing the silo one day, and a silo door kind of gave out as I was near the top, pulling up the cord for plugging it in for high moisture corn, and all my weight was exposed to that shoulder. That shoulder also was used for pushing heifers and cows and everything, and it was my right shoulder. And I enjoyed playing church dart ball and also bar darts, and this last year I quit bar darts because I had so much pain in my shoulder. I'm a cheese salesman. I do a lot of store promotions, and I bring a chair with me because I couldn't stand very long. And that was one of the big things that was bothering me as I was getting older, and also going up steps and downstairs. I was starting to see myself become my mother and dad. I did everything. I was even putting creams that were meant for cows on my knees, you know. I was using like DMSO and everything, anything that somebody suggested, I tried, but it was beyond the point, and eventually I was going to have knee replacements. Several different people had made recommendations of this place. They saw me walk, and they go, "There's a guy up at Antigo might be able to help you." So one day when I was on my cheese route, I kind of stumbled and drove across the road at the gas station trying to sell cheese curds for them. And I'm going, oh, okay, here's the place. So I stopped in, made an appointment, and from there everything seemed to fall into place. Dr. Drager, when he looked at my knees and my shoulder, he said, "What do you want to do?" And I said, "I don't want knee replacements." And that was a big key to the whole thing. I took the laser treatments out there. He also did the adjustments on me, and the hydrobed is awesome. Everything is organized. Everybody knows exactly how to perform their jobs, their duties, and everything fell into place. It was like, well, these people really know how to run their business, and their main concern is your care, and that they want to make you better. And that was very impressive. After going through the whole treatment, it's no problem to stand an hour plus at a time. I did something at a grocery store I hadn't done in probably 3-4 years. I knelt on my knees. And I did it without even thinking. And I was like, oh my God, I'm on my knees here, you know? It's like, you know, and there was absolutely no pain. The range of my knee bending is probably increased by about 90%. I can sleep on my shoulder. I couldn't sleep on my shoulder before. It was just always a dull, achy pain. It actually ran up into my neck and below the base of my skull. And from looking at the x-rays now, I can see why. And I have full range of motion on it. Just after completing the treatments, I was at a wedding and we played beanbag, and I threw 17 games of beanbag, and the next day I woke up, I had no pain in my shoulder. So it was like, wow, this is unreal. If you ever get a chance to go through this, absolutely do it. It's well worth the money. If you go through your knee replacements, you're going to lose time at work, you're going to lose some of your range of motion, you got a risk of infections, you've got all the things that go along with surgery that this will prevent from going through. Awesome. He helped me.